Welcome to my channel. I am back with a hair collab, and today I am collabing with Nadula hair. They sent me this bomb Vpart wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look. Very easy install. When I say easy install, sis, I mean easy install. Definitely good quality. So yes, y'all, let's get right into this video. y'all, this is the final look. As you can see, it wasn't that hard to blend my natural hair with this weave. It was definitely easy. I didn't put nothing on my hair, literally just heat. I did put some daily split ends like type spray on the weave to give it a straighter look. I definitely love it. Definitely will be sporting more Vparts. It's so on the go. Like, it's really so on the go. Easy to install, easy to apply. Everything will be in the description box. Literally everything, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in my next video.